Hey guys, it's Mimi, aka half of the Nakamura sisters. Today I created this Valentine's Day look, so if you're interested on how I created this, just keep on watching.
Hey guys, so I'm just starting off by priming my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base. Then I'm taking some tape and just adding that to my eyes just so I can get a nice clean line. Just take your time because you want to make sure that both sides are even. Next, taking the shade called It's Designer from the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette, I'm just going ahead and patting that all over my eyelids for a nice clean canvas. From the same palette, I'm taking shade Fancy That and just working that into my crease. Taking that shade called It's Cashmere, I'm just putting that into my crease with the previous color and working it in. Now going back into the palette and taking the shade called Oh That's Rich, I'm just going to place that onto the outer corners of my eyes and slowly work it into the crease. There's no need to rush, you can definitely take your time on this part and just make sure everything's blended together. Alrighty, we're done with the eyelids, so we can go ahead and remove the tape on both sides. Going back into the palette, I'm taking Oh That's Rich on a fluffy blending brush and just blending out that line from where we had the tape, as well as working that color into my lower lash line. Taking the shade Libra and Tunicorn from the Lime Crime palette, I'm just placing those two into the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm taking Cloud. It's just a shimmery white shadow, and I'm placing that underneath my brow bone just to give it a nice highlight. Next, I'm doing a winged eyeliner to pull everything together. This is optional, but you can definitely add in some lashes if you want some more added drama. Now here's a close-up of the finished look. You can see it from the side, and a little me moment. And then going in with this NYX lip liner, you just want to line your lips. Just take your time doing this. I'm not the greatest myself, so I'm just doing the upper and the lower lip and then just filling it in. On top of the lip liner, I'm going to go in with this coconut oil lip gloss. Then adding this orangey blush because I feel like it goes with the eyes.
So this is the finished look. If you like it, then please give us a thumbs up or me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.